So today I just want to quickly show you the Mercedes Me app, how it works, and the cost of having those functionalities on the Mercedes Me app. And in my opinion, is it worth it? You're going to find out just now. So the app screen is the one on the right, and then the top is the exterior of the car, and then the bottom screen is the interior of the car. So you can see that it's showing me a warning that the vehicle is unlocked and the window is open. And then going into the vehicle unlocked, now I'm locking the car, and you can see there it is, it's locking. And then now I'm unlocking the car. I have to put in my passcode, and I put in my passcode, and then you can see that it is unlocking the car. You can see it through the mirrors. So there's also something called a rain sensor. So if it starts to rain, the windows will just close automatically. And it also does indicate which window has been left open. So you can see that it is showing the driver's side of the car that's open. So one can be able to close it via the app, or put the car on ventilation. And also you can control if you want it to be uniform, meaning that all windows must close or all windows must open, or just a particular window. So here I'm closing the window that's open. As you can see, now the window is closed. And then now I'm putting the car or the windows on ventilation, just so they open just a little bit, all of them. So you can see I'm activating it, putting my passcode, and then here it is opening it just a little bit. So now I'm closing the windows. So the request has been sent, and then the windows are now closed. So you can see that I've now cleared the warnings because all the windows are closed and the doors are locked. So now going back to the screen, the one that shows, it's showing the petrol. And then if you click on it, it gives you the trip data. It shows you how much fuel I have and the range that it can do, and also the kilometers that I have driven on the car. It just shows the driving time, the average speed that I've been driving. So now I'm switching on the engine through the app. So here is now the car starting up through this remote control via the app. I'm not inside the car, the key is not inside the car, but here's the car starting. And then now I'm switching off the car through the app. Now the car is off. So I'm also able to switch on the aircon through here while being outside the car. You can see that it's now on. You can hear the sound that the air conditioner is working. And then now I'm switching the aircon off. So you can also be able to do a vehicle search, meaning that even if you're not with your car, you can know exactly where your car is at. So in here it's showing the street name and number. It's just that I've just blurred it a bit. So if maybe you're struggling to find your car and you just want the car to flash, you can press on flash, and then it's going to be flashing. It will flash in the front as well as also at the back. And then also if you want the car to hood, you can just press on here, and then the car is going to hood. And then you can also be able to monitor the tire pressure through the app, as you see in here. And then it also shows me the date of the next service as well as the AdBlue level. And then in here it shows the trip data as well as the vehicle status, which shows if everything is closed or locked. And then there's also over the air vehicle updates, which show the updates that are required. And then there's also eco display. I think maybe it's more useful when one is driving. And then now I'm going into the pre-entry climate control just to set the temperature of the car before going inside the car. So I am activating it, and now the temperature is currently set to 16 degrees, but I want to change it to 18 degrees. So I am changing the temperature to 18 degrees, and then now the car is set to 18 degrees. So if I go inside, I'm also going to notice that now the car is cooler. The aircon started without me being inside as well. Also, you can set up the seats as well, because it does come with the heated seats option, but there's no need right now because it's quite hot. And yeah, you can see also when the aircon is busy, it also shows that it's on the inside. You can see on the screen it's showing that it is already on. And then now I'm unlocking the car so that I can go inside the car and feel the temperature of the car. So I'm using the app still to be unlocking the car, and you can see it's showing that now I'm opening the door is open, and then I'm getting inside. So now let's discuss the cost. So the remote package, this is what it costs. So the remote package includes the vehicle tracker, geofencing, the pre-climate setting, the closing of the doors and windows, all that. So this remote package, which excludes the engine start, it costs $3,254 for the 36 months period, and $1,364 for 12 months. And then if paying monthly, it costs 136 rands. And then for the engine start, which is the ability to be able to start the car without the key, it costs $3,411 for the 36 months, and for the 12 months it costs $1,363. And then there's also the excellence package, which seems to be the combination of the remote package and the engine start. So for 36 months it costs 6,509 rand, and then 12 months it costs 2,729, and then monthly it costs 273. So do I feel like it's worth it? So I often forget to use the app most of the times, but if it meant that I'm paying 6,000 over the duration of the 3 years, I feel like that's not so bad compared to the installments that I'm already paying on this car. So also on the app you can be able to change the units, how the units appear, whether you prefer it to be kilometers or you prefer it to be in miles. You want to watch more of my car review videos? One is going to play next. Stay blessed.